this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I am sharing a little baby treat holder. I think it's super cute. It says hello little one, and I am using the Coastal Cabana with the Poppy Parade. I love these two colors together. They're so pretty. And so this one I am using the Little Elephant Stamp set. It is this one right here. Look how cute. Look at this little baby elephant. He's so cute. And then they have the little balloons and the umbrella you could put in his trunk. And isn't that bird just so cute? And then this does come as a bundle with the punch. So you save 10% if you get the bundle. But it is super cute. I love this stamp set. So this is what I'm sharing. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you are going to need a piece of Coastal Cabana. This is 8 by 7.5. You will need a piece that is 1 by 3 for the banner. And then 2 pieces of scrap, one for the elephant and one for our stitched circle that I'm using. And this comes in the stitched labels. I love this. I love the stitching on all these framelits. They're super pretty. So we're using this one for that. Alright, so let's go ahead and score this. So we are going to score, let's see which side do we have first, the 8-inch side. So on the 8-inch side we're going to score it at 2 and 6. And then you're going to turn it, and on the 7.5-inch side we are going to score it at 1/2. I'm going to score it on this side. 2 3/4. 4 3/4. And 7. Okay, that's it. Alright, so now we are ready to cut. Now this is this is going to be the top of our box right here where these 2 narrow 1/2 inch are. These are going to meet together. That forms the top. So what we're going to do here is we are going to cut this square here. We're going to cut these off. And then we're going to cut the other side off also. Save these pieces. They're really good sizes to reuse. So we're doing that on all 4 corners. This is similar to the triangle box I did, well, quite a while ago, I guess it was. It's been a while. Wanted to get that just right. Alright, so now what you're going to do is you are going to need a ruler and a pencil. And we are going to mark 1 inch, and I had my pencil right out here, ready to go. And of course, I can't find it. So we're going to use, oh, there it is. It just fell down in my little drawer. Okay, so we are going to measure. This is 2 inches, so we're going to just measure and mark it at 1 inch right here. That's just going to be our center point for the triangle. And I know if you watched the other triangle boxes that I've done, you've seen me do this before. And then we are going to just go from this corner to that point right there. Just take your ruler and line it up. And score it real good. And then do the same on this side to that point. And I usually do it a few times. We're going to do the same on this side. It'll form a triangle. It's really easy to do. And then what we're going to do is, this is our triangle here. So I'm going to just fold them up right now, but we are going to cut these just like that. These are going to be our glue tabs, and we don't want them so big, so we're just going to trim them down. Now I do want to use my circle punch here and round the corners of the top piece here. We can do it on both ends. And then we're ready to put it together. We're going to sharpen all these score marks really good, because you know how I am with boxes. We want them nice and sharp and square. These are going to go the opposite way. And you can reinforce these now that you got them. I'm going to use fast fuse for the video purpose like I usually do, but use your tear and tape. It's going to work and fit perfectly on these little pieces. We don't want to put it together yet. We got to run it through the Big Shot. So we are going to use my regular Big Shot platform for this, because this is a thick embossing. It's the dynamic, so they're super thick. You can see it here. And what we're going to do is we're going to run it through this side first. And I want to move that up enough so I can fold that up. And we're not going to run it all the way through, but I'm just going to run it through to the edge there. But I don't want those getting in the way. And I turned my Big Shot going the wrong way. So now I have to reach across. I'm sorry for my arm. So here is that side. And then we're going to do this side. Exact same way. Oh. When you want the tufting to be out, you want to see this little Stampin' Up! On the up, looking up at you. If you have it the other way, the tufting is going to go the other way. And again, sorry for my arm. And it's really, really pretty, this embossing. It's super pretty. So, see that? Alright, while we have this up here, let's go ahead and switch this out for a magnetic platform. And I'm just going to run that little piece that we're going to use behind him. Oops, need this one. And we're just going to go ahead and run this through. This one's a little bit harder to get out of here. I'll show you in a second. You have to really be gentle with it. I just kind of ease it out with my finger here, and then it'll come out really good. See, just like that. Alright, let's put this thing together. Okay, so we are going to now put the adhesive on our little corners. I think we are. So you're going to put it on both sides, and the adhesive is like the tear and tape will fit perfectly on these little tabs. So you are going to pull this side up and adhere it really good, and then do the same on this side. Line that up And then these two are a little bit trickier, but not a problem. The reason I say it's trickier because I have to kind of stick my finger in there to get it. And when this is closed, I used wet glue on the last one because when you open this, you have to kind of, to get your candy in, you have to open it like that. So you got to kind of squeeze the ends. All right, so we have that together. I think I got everything lined up okay. And I'm going to use my 1/8 inch handheld circle punch here. And just eyeball the center. Don't forget to put your candy in first. And I'm going to grab some of our Poppy Parade. I'm going to put a little point on this. It seems to work better if I can get a little point. So we're going to put this through here. I'm going to tie a bow. And then we are going to cut the ribbon. I just had my ribbon scissors out. Oh, there they are. Alright, so now we're ready to put it all together. We need to stamp the sentiment and the little elephant. Okay, so we are going to stamp the elephant using our Poppy Parade. He's so cute. Look how cute he is. And then we're also going to stamp the sentiment in Poppy Parade. I want to make sure I have this straight. Look at that, it's so sweet. And then we're ready to punch it. Oops. So we're going to line him up on here. And punch him out. He punches out, a little ear will punch out too, but I'm not going to put the ear on him. I'm going to just leave him like that because I love the little plaid on there. Again, I'm going to grab some dimensionals here. And I'm getting to the end, so I am going to just use some. And we're going to pop him up on the little tag here. And then I'm going to banner the end of this. I could use my banner punch. It would work a whole lot easier, but I don't want to dig it out now. We're going to add some adhesive to the back there. I'm going to set this on here. And then we are going to attach this right there. Just like that. Look how cute he is. And I'm going to show you another one real quick that I did. You know I'm going to be playing with this ribbon. Anyway, I'm going to show you another one that I did using a different stamp set, and it really turned out cute too because I really wanted to use the gorgeous grape. So here's the other one, and I also used the stitched labels with this one, and the stamp set that I used with this one is stitched all around, and it's this one right here. And I used the You Are My Sunshine for this one, but look how pretty that one is. So you can use any different sentiments or anything on the front of it, but they're super, super cute. But I love the little elephant, so that's why I was sharing him today. So I hope you enjoyed the project. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop from my blog. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will catch you in the next one. I'll see you later. Bye.